In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Webhook not working on Gumroad in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. If your Gumroad webhook is not working, your automations may fail completely. This can prevent customers from being added to email lists, block course access, stop CRM updates, or interrupt membership systems. Usually, webhook problems happen because of incorrect URLs, server errors, or signature validation issues. Now, if you want to fix webhook not working on Gumroad, here's what to do. Start by opening the official Gumroad website and logging into your account. Next, go to your account settings and open the Advanced section. After that, locate your webhook or ping endpoint settings. Then, carefully verify that the webhook URL is correct. Make sure the URL includes HTTPS, the full endpoint path, and no missing characters, because even small URL mistakes can stop webhooks from working properly. Now, test the webhook endpoint manually using webhook testing tools or Postman. Confirm that your endpoint returns a successful 200 OK response, because errors like 404, 403 or 500 usually indicate server-side problems. After that, check your server logs. Look for incoming webhook requests and confirm the payload data is being received correctly, because most webhook failures happen on the server side. Then, verify your webhook signature or secret key validation settings. If the secret key or verification logic is incorrect, your server may reject valid Gumroad webhook requests automatically. Now, review your firewall or hosting provider settings. Some servers block external post requests or unknown IP addresses, so you may need to whitelist Gumroad requests on your hosting platform. Then, test the automation again after making the changes. Usually, webhook issues happen because of incorrect endpoint URLs, server errors, blocked requests, or invalid signature verification settings. Carefully reviewing these areas normally fixes the problem quickly. That's it. By checking your webhook URL, server response, and verification settings properly, you can fix Gumroad webhook issues and get your automations working again successfully.